Welcome to lecture series on digital electronics under EPG Pathshala. This module is dedicated to understand algorithm state machine. Let us try to understand what an algorithm state machine is. Whenever we talk about solving any mathematical problem with the help of computer, we normally prefer a flowchart or algorithm. Algorithm basically provides us some kind of logical sequence of steps to solve the problem, whereas flowchart helps us graphically to represent the same logic, so that anybody can understand very easily. So, flowchart is usually preferred in solving the problem. On the similar line, whenever we talk about digital system design, we normally prefer state tables or state diagrams. These state tables or state diagrams are similar to the simple algorithms, but whenever we like to represent it using graphical method, we always preferred ASM chart, that is algorithm state machines. Now, these ASM charts are just similar to the flow chart. The symbols are also similar. The only thing is that there are certain limited number of symbols. The ASM chart contains three types of symbols. The first one is state symbol, the second one is the decision symbol, and the third one is conditional output symbol. With the help of these three symbols, we can design any state machine. Whenever we talk about designing any complex state machine or an IC, normally we prefer ASM charts, which are easier and some kind of formal way of representing the flow chart. Now, whenever we are designing such kind of algorithm state machine charts, we need to understand what is the logical correlation between the states as well as their timing relation. This is most important part as compared to the flow chart. In this module, we will focus it on how do we really prepare the ASM chart, then we will talk about the simple problems and certain features of ASM charts. Let us now discuss the learning objectives of this module. First, to understand the difference between flowchart and ASM chart. Second, to get familiar with ASM symbols. Third, to know the features of ASM chart, and finally, to prepare a ASM chart for sequential circuits. Let us now explore the world of ASM charts. The behavior of sequential circuit is well described by state diagram or state table. The behavior of sequential circuit can also be described by algorithm state machine ASM chart. ASM charts are somewhat similar to flow charts. Both charts have a graphical representation technique. There are symbols to represent the task and arrows to indicate the flow. Before we discuss about ASM chart, let us first explain what a flow chart is. A flow chart is a visual representation of the sequence of steps and decision needed to perform a process. Each step in the sequence is noted within the flow chart symbol. Steps are linked by connecting lines and directional arrows. This allows designer to view the flow chart and logically follow the process from the beginning to the end. Just similar to the flow chart for software, an algorithm state machine charts are prepared for state machines. An ASM chart is like flow chart, wherein the behavior of the state machine or sequential circuit is explained. ASM chart is simply a flow chart to specify state diagram for sequential circuits. This ASM chart is then transformed into digital hardware required for the state machine. There is a major difference between the flow chart and the ASM chart in the specification. Here, it is possible to coin two terms. Simple flow chart is referred to as software flow chart and ASM chart is referred to as hardware flow chart. Software flow charts do not specify the timing characteristics, whereas an ASM chart specifies the sequence of operations as well as the time relationship between the states. ASM chart is mostly for hardware rather than software and focuses on the state of the state machine and transitions between the states. A flowchart is used for combinational circuits. It is stateless flowchart because it cannot maintain its active states between updates. In contrast, ASM chart is used for sequential design. It stores its current state in memory to preserve local data and activity between updates. As a result, state diagrams can begin executing where they left off in the previous time step, making them suitable for the system where the current output depends on previous results. In a flow chart, the processes can take a lot of steps when the program would be moving through it. With an ASM chart, there would not be much movement through the chart until something triggers to move, such as someone presses the button in the system. ASM chart will not have an incrementing loop for display as counting like flow chart. Instead, there could be counting up state or countdown state or counting pause state. ASM chart would stay in the state until a button is pressed. In ASM chart, transitions are governed by clock and transitions are possible between ASM blocks. Flowcharts use special shapes to represent different types of actions or steps in a process. Let us talk about some of the popular flowchart symbols and their functions. The oval shape is the terminator symbol, marks the starting and ending point of the system. It usually contains the word start, stop, begin or end. The input output symbol represents information entering or leaving the system. A rectangular box represents a single step or entire sub process within a larger process. A diamond shape represents a decision or branching point. Connecting lines represents different decisions emerge from different point of the diamond. Arrow indicates the flow line symbols. Lines and arrows show the sequence of steps and the relationship among them. Next section describes the ASM components, symbols and their functions. The state diagram can become very much complex for bigger hardware. Algorithm state machine, ASM charts or diagrams offers many advantages over state diagram. First, for larger state diagrams, ASM charts often are easier to understand and interpret. Second, conditions for proper state diagram are automatically satisfied. And third, it can be easily converted to other forms. An important point to remember about ASM chart is that for a given state, all possible inputs and outputs are not enumerated. Only the inputs that matter along with asserted outputs are indicated. It is also important to know whether the signal is positive logic, that is asserted high, or negative logic, that is asserted low. The algorithm state machine chart method utilizes simple procedure to create reliable sequential state machines. The ASM chart can create designs with style and elegance. The ASM chart notation consists of only three symbols: state, branch and conditional output. Out of these, the state and decision symbols are just similar to the conventional flowchart technique. The conditional output symbol is a unique feature of ASM chart. A state of a sequential circuit is represented by a rectangle in ASM chart. It is equivalent to a circle in a state diagram or row in a state table. The state symbol is a rectangle with an arrow entering from the top and leaving from the bottom as shown in the figure. The arrow drawn into the state box indicates the state entry, and arrow drawn from the state box indicates the path to the next state. The name of the state is written to the left or on the top of the box. A list of conditional outputs, if any, related to the state are written within the box. These are usually of Moore type. These outputs depend only on the values of the state variables that define the state. If there is no unconditional output is required, the box is left blank. In this example, the state is labeled as A and the assigned code is 0 0. The unconditional output is Z is equal to 1. The decision or conditional symbol is represented by a diamond shaped or modified diamond shape with one input and two or more output paths. One arrow enters the top and two leaves the sides or a side and the bottom. These output branches are true and false branches. The decision symbol explains the effect of an input on the control subsystem. A Boolean variable or expression written inside the diamond indicates a condition which is evaluated to decide which branch to take. The exit paths leads to the symbols corresponding to next state. In the first case, X is written in the decision box. It indicates that the decision is based on the value of X. There is another decision symbol represented by hexagon, where in the second case A dot B is written inside the decision box, indicates that the path will be dependent on the values of A dot B is equal to 0, the false path will be selected, else true path will be selected. The conditional output symbol is modified ellipse or oval shape with one input line and one output line as shown here. It contains conditional output list. The conditional output depends on both the state of the system and inputs. Therefore, the conditional output signals are sometimes known as Mealy outputs. Let us talk about ASM block. An algorithm state machine chart can be connected from one or more interconnected ASM blocks. Let us now understand what a ASM block is. An ASM block consists of a state symbol, decision symbol and conditional outputs associated with that state. The ASM block symbols indicate a process involving a present state, the decision box, conditional output symbol and the next state. Moore sequential circuit is represented without conditional output symbols, and Mealy model includes conditional output symbols. In this ASM block, the state box represents the state in the FSM and the output describes the desired output values when the circuit enters this state, that is the Moore output. The decision box tests an input condition to determine the exit path of the current ASM block. A conditional output box also lists asserted signals. It can only be placed after an exit path of a decision box. The Mealy outputs that depends on the state and the input values. Now, let us discuss the features of ASM charts. The algorithm state machine is another name given to the sequential circuit to control a digital system which carries out a step-by-step procedure. It should be noted that ASM chart represents physical hardware and offer several advantages. Algorithm state machine method is used for designing the finite state machine. The salient features of ASM charts are described below. First, ASM chart represents the physical hardware of the system. Second, the operation of digital systems can be easily understood by inspection of ASM chart. Third, the ASM chart is equivalent to a state diagram and it leads to a hardware realization. Fourth, ASM charts can describe the operation of both combinational and sequential circuits. And fifth, ASM charts are easier to understand and can be converted into several equivalent forms. The ASM chart may be equivalently expressed as a state and output table. Seventh, the ASM chart describes the sequence of events as well as timing relationship between the states of the sequential circuit. The events occur while going from one state to another. Eighth, ASM chart contains one or more interconnected ASM blocks. Ninth, each ASM block contains a state box, decision box and conditional output boxes. 10. ASM block specifies the operation that are to be performed during one clock cycle. 11th, each ASM block has one entrance and one or more exit paths. 12th, internal feedback within the ASM block is not allowed. 13th, all events in an ASM block executes simultaneously. Let us know the relationship between the state diagram and ASM charts. First, an ASM chart is equivalent to Moore sequential circuit having same number of state boxes and ASM blocks as in the state diagram. Second, instead of conditional output box in a Moore model state diagram, each ASM block has a state box and a decision box. Third, ASM block includes three components: state box, decision box and a conditional output box to represent one particular state of Mealy machine. Now, let us consider few examples of ASM charts. ASM can be derived from the state diagram of a sequential circuit. There are certain rules must be followed when constructing an ASM block. First, for every valid combination of input, there must be exactly one exit path defined. And second, no internal feedback within the ASM block is allowed. There are two different procedures followed for Mealy and Moore machine. Let us discuss them one by one. The procedure for Mealy machine. For a Mealy machine, the output is a function of both present state and input. For construction of ASM chart from Mealy state diagram, we should use the following steps. First, represent each state by a state box. Second, put input in decision box after each state box. Third, Mealy output appears in conditional output boxes since they depend on both state and input. Fourth, Mealy circuit output return only when it is equal to true path, that is 1. And fifth, depending on the value of input, connect the path to the next state box. Let us consider the first example of binary counter. Convert the state diagram of binary counter into ASM chart. In the given state diagram, there are 3 states with 3 self transitions and 3 state transitions. Such state diagram can be implemented by 3 ASM blocks. Each ASM block consists of state box, decision box and conditional output. Each ASM block begins with this state box. Let us consider the present state of the state machine is S0. When input X is applied, then the machine makes transitions depending upon the value of X. If x is equal to 0, the control is transferred back to the same state, which is equivalent to self transition, and the output is z is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, the control is transferred through the conditional output box, where output z is equal to 1 and the system leaves the first ASM block. Let us consider the present state of the state machine as S1. When input x is equal to 0, then the control is transferred back to the same machine, which is equivalent to this self transition, and output is through conditional output box, where output z is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, the output is z is equal to 0 and the system leaves the second ASM block. Let us consider the present state of the state machine as S2. If x is equal to 0, then the control is transferred back to the same state, which is equivalent to self transition, and the output is z is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, the control is transferred through the conditional output box, where output is z is equal to 1 and the system leaves the third ASM block. Let us now combine all three ASM blocks corresponding to three states of the binary counter. The ASM block for S0 is shown here. The second ASM block is connected to the exit path of ASM block 1, which is representing the state S1. The third ASM block is connected to the exit path of ASM block 2, which is representing the state S2. The exit path of ASM block 3 corresponding to state S2 goes back to the original state S0 as shown here. This is the way how state diagram can be converted into ASM chart. Thus, the state machine provides entry and exits from other two ASM blocks to implement the desired state machine. Let us now consider the second example of sequence detector. Prepare an ASM chart to describe a millistate machine that detects a sequence 101 and asserts a logic 1 at the output during the last state of sequence. The given state diagram of a sequence detector contains three states, namely T0, T1 and T2. Each state has two transitions. This is a state diagram of a sequence detector circuit that detects a sequence of 101. Such state diagram can be implemented by three ASM blocks, one per state. Each ASM block consists of state box, decision box and or conditional output. Each ASM block begins with the state box. These three state boxes are assigned a binary code, say T0 is equal to 00, T1 is equal to 01 and T2 is equal to 11. Let us begin with the initial state T0. When input x is applied, then the machine makes the transitions depending upon the value of x. If x is equal to 0, then the control is transferred back to the same state, because the starting value of the sequence should be 1. When x is equal to 1, the state machine moves to the second state for detection of logic 0. Now, the state machine is in state T1. When x is applied, then the machine makes a transition depending upon the value of x. If the second bit of the sequence is not 0, then state has self transition. If the state machine detects 0, then it moves to the last bit detection, that is logic 1. Now, the state machine is in state T2. When input x is applied, then the machine makes transitions depending upon the value of x. if the machine detects logic 0, then the control is transferred to the first state again. If the last bit is 1, then the control is transferred to the conditional output box, where output Z is equal to 1, indicating the desired sequence is detected. The system leaves the last ASM block and goes back to the second ASM block to check the overlapping sequence, that is bit 0, and process repeats. To conclude, every ASM chart provides entry and exit paths to or from ASM block to implement the desired state machine. Let us now talk about the procedure for obtaining ASM chart for Moore machine. In case of Moore machine, the output is a function of present state only. For construction of ASM chart from Moore state diagram, we should use the following steps. First, represent each state by a state box. Second, the Moore outputs are replaced in the state box since they do not depend on the input. Third, in the ASM chart, after each state box, place the input decision box. And fourth, depending on the value of input, connect the path to the next state box. Here we shall discuss the basic rules for preparing ASM blocks. First, for a given input combination, there is a unique exit path from the current ASM block. And second, the exit path of an ASM block must always lead to a state box. The state box can be state box of the current ASM block or a state box of another ASM block. Now discuss some of the common errors in ASM charts. Let us consider an ASM block consisting of a state symbol and two decision boxes as shown here. The state machine takes entry in a state S0. This case violates the rule 1 since it has two exit paths if A and B are both 1. There is no exit path if A and B are both zeros. The figure here contains an ASM block consisting of a state box and a decision box for the implementation. This diagram also violates the first rule since there is no exit path when condition in the decision box is false. On the similar lines, it is also possible to find out another common error in ASM chart which violates the second rule. The second rule essentially states that the decision boxes and conditional output boxes are associated with single ASM block and cannot be shared by other ASM blocks. Let us summarize some of the key points regarding this module. ASM chart is just similar to the flow chart. Whenever we design any sequential circuit, there is an alternative way to design the sequential circuit using ASM chart as compared to the state diagram or state table. ASM chart usually consists of three major blocks: the state box, you may call it the decision box, and a conditional output box. These three set of symbols can be used to describe the process, and this process is well referred as ASM block. Now, this ASM block consists of once again these three basic symbols, and with the help of that we can define the states and their correlation with the timing. Now, whenever we talk about solving any problem using computer, we talk about flowchart or algorithm, and whenever we talk about the state machines, we think about ASM charts. So, let us refer to this as simple software flowchart for solving the problem, whereas ASM chart is referred as hardware flowchart for designing the ICs. In this module, we have studied how simple state machines can be converted into ASM chart for any complex applications. Thank you.